morning, everybody, and Lindsay Duff here with Responsible Day Trading. I have been on a call this morning with my web guy. I've also been talking with another friend, and we really want to expand things to be able to give more information about stocks and different areas of the market. And we just had some really great ideas coming together. I mean, yeah, when I work with someone, student, web person, whatever it may be, your family to me. And we're talking often, we're working through solutions together, and that's the way I love it. You know, I love being connected with people. As for today, I have not gotten a move on just yet. I gotta send something else to my web dude. As for today, I haven't taken a look at it. Well, I took a peek at it when I opened it up at 7 o'clock this morning, and then I have been just busy all morning. So at least got my coffee in. I'm feeling good. I got some good sleep. So maybe that's what I needed. I need to send something off to my web dude really quick. I'll be right back. And we'll start looking at the market. Okay, in all seriousness, I got a new table here, and you can see it's a little bouncy, so sorry about that. All right, so let's go ahead and just peep out what's going on. Let's pull this up. Okay, yeah. So overnight there was a, well, let's see. Overnight was the big move down. I guess it was about the end of the day. It had a huge move up. Okay, so FOMC was right here. Had a pretty decent move up, and then it just died out. Look, we finally got that W pivot, but in a much bigger term. This came down lower. We can see the MACDs led lower here too. I want to see this go down just a little bit. I'm not anticipating too much out of it. A little uncomfortable going against such a strong move we've had to the upside. I'm going to take the exit. It can keep pushing for sure. Just coming right into this area, I'm going to go ahead and take that exit as it's giving a little bit of a reversal bar here. Definitely could see reasons for this to push down further. So I'm looking here, anticipating this to push down. Oh, there, can't even grab it. If we're pulling into this area, I'm going to a break even. I'm going to be very cautious and maybe even exit. I'm actually going to take this one out. So as we're reaching this area, I could really pull back right to where my stop is, but that's absolutely fine if it does. Took this one out with the slowdown at the area. I'll go ahead and take this exit as well. This could definitely keep pushing down. You know, this has been a strong trend to the upside, so I'm being extremely cautious about my exits. as it's reaching these areas, which is usually, I'm not quite as cautious about that, but you have to be in this strong move. All right, I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's on about a 2-hour, well, it was an hour and a half conversation earlier. I've got a headache coming on. So I think we're just gonna wrap it up at that. It was 2 trades, it was 5 points in total. The first one was 1.25. The second one, I don't even know, hold on. 1.5 and a point. So 5 points in total. Well, I think we're gonna call that a day. That's an hour of me looking at the market. Did I struggle to take a couple of trades? I could see them going in the direction. There was a lot of conversation for me going on during that time. Yeah, we're just gonna wrap it up. I'm tired. I need to heat up my coffee. But hope everybody has a fantastic day. If you have any questions, definitely get in touch with me. Otherwise, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.